Next we shall discuss about the various terms responsible for the values of ionization enthalpies. There are three different terms which are responsible. They are attraction of electron towards nucleus, repulsion between electrons, and exchange energy. Loss of exchange energy increases the stability. So now as the stability increases, ionization becomes difficult. For example, consider manganese atomic number 25. The electronic configuration can be written as argon 3d5 4s2. When one electron is lost, manganese changes to Mn+. One electron will be lost from the 4s orbital. So the configuration of Mn+ will be 3d5 4s1. Now consider chromium atomic number 24. Its configuration can be written as argon 3d5 4s1. When one electron is lost by chromium from 4s orbital and when it changes to chromium plus, the configuration will be 3d5. So Mn plus has 3d5 4s1 configuration, whereas chromium plus has 3d5 configuration. Therefore, ionization enthalpy of Mn plus is lower than chromium plus. Now consider iron atomic number 26. The electronic configuration can be written as argon 3d6 4s2. When two electrons are lost by iron, that is from 4s orbital, the configuration of Fe2 plus will be 3d6. Now consider manganese atomic number 25, electronic configuration argon 3d5 4s2. When two electrons are lost from 4s orbital, manganese changes to Mn2 plus and the configuration will be 3d5. So Fe2 plus has 3d6 configuration, whereas Mn2 plus has 3d5 configuration. Therefore, ionization enthalpy of Fe2 plus is lower than Mn2 plus. Second ionization enthalpy of both chromium and copper is found to be very high. Why is it so? For that, consider chromium atomic number 24. The electronic configuration can be written as argon 3d5 4s1. When chromium loses one electron from the 4s orbital and when it changes to chromium plus, the configuration will be 3d5. Second ionization enthalpy means it is energy required to remove the second electron from chromium. So here in the case of chromium, the second electron has to be removed from a more stable d5 configuration. We know that d5 half-filled configuration is more stable. So in the case of chromium, since the second electron has to be removed from more stable d5 configuration, it has higher second ionization enthalpy. Now consider copper atomic number 29. The electronic configuration can be written as argon 3d10 4s1. When one electron is lost from the 4s orbital and when copper changes to copper plus, the configuration will be 3d10. So in the case of copper, the second electron has to be removed from more stable d10 configuration. So this is the reason why the second ionization enthalpy of copper is higher. Now consider zinc. The second ionization enthalpy of zinc is found to be lower. For that, consider the electronic configuration of zinc. Atomic number 30, the electronic configuration can be written as argon 3d10 4s2. When one electron is removed from the 4s orbital and when zinc changes to Zn plus, the configuration will be 3d10 4s1. Second ionization enthalpy means an electron has to be removed from the 4s orbital. So here in the case of zinc, the electron has to be removed from the 4s orbital or a 4s electron has to be removed. And by the removal of 4s electron, it results in more stable d10 configuration. So this is the reason why the second ionization enthalpy of zinc is lower. Third ionization enthalpy is found to be high. For example, manganese has very high third ionization enthalpy. Why is it so? For that, consider the electronic configuration of manganese. Atomic number 25, electronic configuration argon 3d5 4s2. When 2 electrons are lost from the 4s orbital and when manganese changes to Mn2+, the configuration will be 3d5. Now one more electron has to be removed. But that electron has to be removed from more stable d5 configuration. So this is the reason why manganese has higher third ionization enthalpy, because the third electron has to be removed from a more stable d5 configuration. Now consider zinc atomic number 30. Electronic configuration can be written as argon 3d10 4s2. Now when zinc changes to Zn2+, the configuration will be 3d10. So in the case of zinc, the third electron has to be removed from more stable completely filled d10 configuration. Since it is difficult to remove an electron from d10 configuration, the third ionization enthalpy of zinc will be high.